It was a sunny day in Nobita's neighborhood, and his best friend Doraemon was visiting from the future. They were sitting in Nobita's backyard, trying to come up with a plan for their summer vacation. Suddenly, Doraemon's eyes lit up with excitement. "Have you ever heard of the legendary golden anchor?" Doraemon asked, his eyes shining with curiosity. Nobita shook his head. "No, I don't think so." "What's it about?" "It's said to be a treasure hidden by a famous pirate, Captain Redbeard," Doraemon explained. "The golden anchor is said to grant the finder immense wealth and power. But it's also said to be cursed, and many people have lost their lives trying to find it." Nobita's eyes widened with excitement. "That sounds like an amazing adventure. Let's go find it. I have got just the thing for us." He pulled out a small device from his pocket and pressed a few buttons. A small, sleek boat appeared in front of them. "Wow, that's cool!" Nobita exclaimed. "How does it work?" "It's a time-traveling boat," Doraemon explained. "We can travel through time and space to find the golden anchor." Nobita's eyes grew wide with wonder. As they boarded the boat, Doraemon handed Nobita a pair of special goggles. "These will help us navigate through time," Doraemon explained. "Just put them on and you will be able to see where we are and where we are going." Nobita put on the goggles and suddenly they were transported to a different era. They found themselves standing on the deck of a pirate ship surrounded by swashbuckling pirates. "Shiver me timbers!" one of the pirates exclaimed. "What are you doing here?" Doraemon stepped forward, introducing himself and Nobita as time-traveling adventurers. The pirate, who introduced himself as Captain Blackbeak, was intrigued. "We are on a quest to find the golden anchor," Doraemon explained. "Do you know anything about it?" Captain Blackbeak nodded. I do. The golden anchor is hidden on a small island, guarded by a fierce sea monster. But I can help ye find it, if you're willing to help me with a tusker." Nobita's eyes lit up with excitement. "What's the task?" "I need ye to retrieve a treasure map from me old nemesis, Captain Redbeard," Captain Blackbeak explained. "He's been hiding it in his treasure chest, and I need ye to get it for me." Doraemon and Nobita exchanged a look. They knew this was going to be a challenge. "Okay, we will do it," Doraemon said, grinning. Captain Blackbeak handed them a map, and they set off on their quest. They traveled through treacherous waters, avoiding sea monsters and treacherous currents. Finally, they arrived at Captain Redbeard's island. As they approached the treasure chest, they heard a loud growl. A fierce sea monster emerged from the shadows, its eyes fixed on them. Nobita whispered. "What do we do?" Doraemon pulled out a small device from his pocket and pressed a few buttons. "It's a sonic device," Doraemon explained. "It will distract the monster long enough for us to get the treasure map." Nobita nodded and they made a run for the treasure chest. They opened it and inside they found a treasure map that led them to the golden anchor.
As they followed the map, they encountered many obstacles, including treacherous tunnels and puzzles.
But with Doraemon's quick thinking and Nobita's bravery, they were able to overcome them all. Finally, they arrived at the golden anchor, shining brightly in the sunlight.